The official announcement of the new CT125 Hunter Cub, equipped with a new engine, will be released in December at a fixed price of 440,000 yen. Honda announced the long-awaited new CT125 Hunter Cub, a new engine with a 50.0x 63.1mm stroke length setting starting with the current Grom has been adopted for the Super Cub C125, Monkey 125, and Dax 125, and it is thought it will only be a matter of time before it is installed in the Hunter Cub. The eye-catching air-cooled 2-valve single-cylinder engine achieves a maximum output increase of 0.3 PS from 8 PS to 9.1 PS, while lowering the peak power generation speed by 750 revolutions per minute. On the other hand, while maintaining a maximum torque of 1.1 kilograms, the resulting rotational speed is increased by 250 revolutions per minute. As a result, the low RPM range will change from the punchy conventional type to the smooth characteristics, and will likely show a more powerful ride from the mid-RPM range. The 4-speed return-type transmission, which behaves as a rotary type at stop, has the same transmission ratio for each gear as the previous model, while the primary and secondary reduction ratios have been changed. The total primary-secondary reduction ratio increased slightly from 93:29 to 92:84. But the difference is small and can be said to be still within the margin of error. By the way, the Super Cub C125 also has the same transmission ratio for each gear, but the total reduction ratio for primary and secondary gears is 8.57, which is about 8.3% longer, equals close to high speed. Left is the new model and right is the conventional model. The position of the kick pedal has shifted slightly forward with the installation of the new engine, but the foot peg and handle positions have not changed. It seems that the shape of the seat has changed slightly, but since the shooting angles of the vehicles are not exactly the same, it seems necessary to compare with the actual vehicle. To distinguish between the old and the new, you should pay attention to the color of the rear carrier, the shape of the rear suspension, and the engine protection pipe, in addition to the engine. The body color is red, and the Honda logo around the neck is changed to a black border. In addition, along with the change in the secondary reduction ratio, the wheelbase was increased by 5 mm from 1,255 mm to 1,260 mm, and the total length was also increased from 1,960 mm to 1,965 mm. A pipe has been added to the engine guard, which protects the fire area more strongly and appears to increase the strength itself. The weight of the vehicle has been reduced from 120 kilograms to 118 kilograms, which is 2 kilograms. In addition, the rear shock has been changed to a new one with a 5-stage preload adjustment mechanism. The body color is a new matte armored silver metallic, and the conventional matte fresco brown is scrapped. The fiery red advanced color has a black coating on the large carrier. Pearl organic green, which is also an advanced color, continues to use the same carrier as the body color. The fact that prices remain unchanged is also a big topic. Honda Reborn Moped 2 Series includes 4 cars: Super Cub C125, Monkey 125, Dax 125, and CT125 Hunter Cub for 440,000 yen. When choosing, you should focus on design and usability rather than price. The planned sales volume of the CT125 Hunter Cub is 14,000 units.